In this tutorial, I will show you how to filter in PySpark. I already prepared the basic data frame. I will use the show method to display the data frame. As you can see, the full name is a nested struct. I added some nulls here and there so that I can do some tests. If you want to select nulls, you can use the nulls method. I will also select all columns. If you want to filter the data frame, you can use the filter method. For example, we can use the isNull method here as well. This filter will return all rows that have the middle name null, as you can see. You can use isNotNull method if you need to get all rows that don't have the middle name null. If you know SQL, you might be more familiar with where clause. In PySpark, where is a synonym for filter. I will run filter and where to show you that there is no difference. There is some limited support for SQL expressions such as age is null, where age is the column name. Same thing for not null. In JupyterLab, you can delete a line by pressing Escape then D twice. You can use the underscore in the same way you can do it in SQL. The underscore character represents a single character to match a pattern from a word or string. We can define the bank pattern by using underscores. As you can see, bank has more characters than bank A, and because of this is not showing up. You can use underscore in combination with %. So this will match all that have the second character, the letter R. In PySpark, you can use regular expressions. This will match words that have only letters and have 6 characters. Now I will load a big data frame. To load in subfolders, you need to use the recursive file lookup option. Here is what the data frame looks like. This is how big the data frame is. You can use equals to get all first names that have the value $. Let's see how much time it takes for the count to run. Let's do the same with where. It looks like there is no difference, as I said. You can negate the condition. You can use more than a single condition. You can use the comparison when filtering. If you want to check to see if the first name is in a list, you can use them isIn function. column name can be defined in the same way you define it in the select. To get the last names that start with a string, you can use the starts with function. Same thing for ends with. To filter by a Boolean, you can do a simple comparison like this. Comparison can also be done like this. To use and between two conditions, you can use ampersand. For or you can use the pipe. You can use the between function to filter between two values. You can filter by date as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you want, you can become my Patreon and you will gain access to tutorial files and more.